Imagine waking up every morning with aching knees, a quiet house, and a feeling that life has somehow slowed down. Now imagine stepping outside. The air is cool, birds are singing. A tiny tomato plant you planted weeks ago has finally begun to grow. And suddenly, you smile. Not because everything in life is perfect, but because something is still growing. And strangely enough, scientists are discovering that elderly people who garden are often happier, calmer, healthier, and emotionally stronger than those who don't. But the most surprising reason has nothing to do with flowers. And before this video ends, you may never look at gardening the same way again. Because what gardening secretly gives seniors is something many people lose with age. Getting older changes life in ways most people never talk about. Children grow up, friends move away, retirement changes routines, and sometimes, days begin to feel quieter than they used to. For many seniors, the hardest part of aging is not wrinkles, it's feeling unnecessary. And this is where gardening quietly changes everything. Because the moment a person begins caring for a living plant, something emotional begins to happen inside them. That little seed becomes a responsibility, a routine, a reason to wake up tomorrow morning. And surprisingly, many elderly gardeners say their garden feels like a companion, not because plants speak, but because life responds to care. But here's where things become fascinating. Scientists discovered gardening affects the aging brain in ways that shocked researchers. And what happens mentally may be even more powerful than the physical benefits. Researchers studying older adults found something remarkable. Seniors who garden regularly often show lower stress, improved memory, better focus, and reduced feelings of anxiety and loneliness. But why? Because gardening forces the brain to stay active in a gentle, natural way. Think about it. A gardener must remember watering schedules, planting seasons, sunlight patterns, and which plants need attention. Without realizing it, the brain stays engaged. And there's something else most people don't know. When elderly people spend time around nature, the body naturally lowers stress hormones. That means gardening can actually help seniors feel calmer emotionally. And maybe that explains why some older gardeners seem to have a peaceful glow about them. But the next reason gardening changes lives might be the deepest one of all. Because gardening doesn't just stimulate the brain, it heals something emotional. There's a reason many elderly gardeners become deeply attached to their gardens. It's not really about the vegetables. It's about purpose. After retirement, many people lose structure. Days blend together. Motivation weakens. Life can begin to feel repetitive, but gardens create expectation. A seed planted today promises tomorrow. And psychologically, that matters more than people realize. Because every morning, the gardener wonders, did the flowers bloom? Did the tomatoes grow? Will the peppers finally sprout today? That anticipation creates emotional energy. In many ways, gardening gives seniors something priceless, a future to look forward to. And perhaps that's why some elderly gardeners continue gardening, even through pain, age, and exhaustion. Because deep down, the garden reminds them they are still needed. But there's another hidden benefit nobody talks about enough. Gardening may quietly protect seniors from one of the most dangerous parts of aging, loneliness. Loneliness doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes, it looks like eating dinner alone every night. Sometimes it sounds like silence in a house that used to feel full. And for many older adults, that silence slowly becomes emotionally heavy. But gardens interrupt loneliness in interesting ways. Neighbors stop to talk. Grandchildren become curious. Community gardens create friendships. People exchange vegetables, seeds, and advice. Suddenly, conversations begin happening again. And here's something beautiful. Even when seniors garden alone, they often report feeling emotionally connected to life itself. Watching butterflies return, seeing flowers bloom, hearing birds in the morning. These small moments create emotional comfort. Because nature has a strange ability to remind people life is still moving. But what surprised researchers most was discovering that gardening may actually help seniors physically age better too. And one everyday gardening movement appears especially powerful. Many seniors dislike intense workouts. Gyms can feel exhausting. Exercise routines become difficult. And motivation fades quickly. But gardening tricks the body into movement naturally. Without realizing it, gardeners are bending, stretching, walking, lifting light objects, and improving balance. And because the activity feels meaningful, people continue doing it consistently. That consistency matters. Even small daily movements can help. Older adults maintain flexibility and mobility longer. But here's the emotional difference. Exercise often feels like work. Gardening feels like living. That's why many seniors who refuse exercise will happily spend hours in a garden. And now, we arrive at the most powerful reason elderly gardeners often live happier lives. It has nothing to do with vegetables, nothing to do with flowers, and everything to do with hope. Think about this carefully. Every seed planted is an act of faith. You place something tiny into dark soil, believing something beautiful will eventually come out. That mindset is incredibly powerful for aging adults, because gardening quietly teaches patience, expectation, resilience, and optimism. A person who plants flowers is still emotionally connected to tomorrow. And maybe that's the real secret. Many elderly gardeners are happier because they never stop believing life can still produce beauty, even late in life, even after loss, even after difficult seasons. Perhaps that's why gardens become sacred places for so many seniors. Not because gardens remove pain, but because they remind people growth is still possible. So the next time you see an elderly person quietly tending a garden, understand something deeper may be happening. They may not simply be growing tomatoes. They may be growing peace, growing routine, growing healing, growing purpose. And maybe they are growing hope. Because happiness in old age isn't always found in something dramatic. Sometimes it's found in sunlight, soft soil, morning birds, and a tiny green sprout pushing through the earth. Maybe the secret to a happier life is this: never stop growing. If this video touched your heart, subscribe to the Evergreen Senior and join us for more peaceful stories, gardening wisdom, and inspiration for seniors living their best life naturally. And tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you ever planted, and do you still remember it today?